Kunyitanira wa Mathukuru-ini na Muingi hamwe na thirikari nokio kihonia kia mathina maria Arutwo Mathukuru-ini maya Mageragira. Uyu ni uge wa Minista Nyabara Niwe Musalia Mudavadi kiaria ari thukuru-ini wa University ya Nairobi guku muciini munene wa Kenya Nairobi.
My heartfelt gratitude to Chancellor Van Coyne for inviting me to be part of this special event to celebrate the unveiling of the Big Five transformational initiatives that will propel the University of Nairobi to a fit-for-purpose, sustainable and resilient future.
Medikithia maudhi wanabere wa mathukuru ma universities guku bururi-ini. Minista uyu ni augite ati shiraini riake kuria muciini wa Ngeretha mari na President William Ruto arahotire gwikiranira agreement ya makiria ma ciringi bilioni 4.7 niguo gwikira hinya githomo mathukuru-ini maya.
I have just returned from the United States, where I accompanied His Excellency President William Ruto to a historic state visit hosted by President Joe Biden. The President engaged constructively with his host, government officials, and the U.S. private sector. He was able to strike deals worth $36.15 million or equivalent to 4.7 billion for basic and higher education sector programs.
Minista Nyabara ni akenereire Utongoria wa thukuru uyu wa Nairobi University akiuga ni kionereria kuria atongoria angi a mathukuru ma universities guothe bururi-ini kuria Arutwo guteaniria mutugo wa kuhuthira mitambo ya kieriu ni artificial intelligence igerani-ini ciao niguo kumahotithia kugia na uigiriki mawira-ini mao.
To take advantage of this opportunity to return to my beloved alma mater. Yes, I am extremely proud to be an alumnus of the University of Nairobi. I take pride in the fact that this university has produced 35% of the top 1,000 scientists in Kenya, according to the AD Scientific Index report. Furthermore, atire fata wa kuhe Arutwo uge wa mafuku matari na uge wa utongoria noguo kuria Arutwo meigiranie na maundu mangi mathukuru-ini ta utongoria. Encourage the university to lead the charge in equipping students with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the complexities of international relations by fostering a deep understanding of global issues and encouraging active participation in international dialogue.
Aduine Hamwe TV, Ritoria kwa ni wajiko wa Kihuba.